Before we proceed further, request you to please subscribe to our channel as shown above. Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology. Wishing all of you a very happy new year. May the year 2022 bring a lot of bliss, happiness and joy in your life. The topic I am going to cover today is important planetary alignments that will happen in the year 2022 and their impact on the world in general. So let us begin. We are first going to talk about the Rahu Uranus conjunction, which occurs in the sign of Aries or Mesh somewhere around mid-April. Now this is a very important conjunction because Aries is the sign which represents new beginnings, and Uranus is the planet which represents inventions. Rahu represents expansion. So in this time period there will be lot of inventions. Uranus also represents the air travel. So the aerospace industry, the space industry will see lot of inventions in the year 2022, and this is very good for mankind. Rahu and Uranus also represent streams such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and there will be lot of advances in these two lines in the year 2022. So in short, the year 2022 brings about lot of technological advances with respect to gadgets and devices. This is the positive effect of Uranus Rahu conjunction, but there are a lot of negative effects also. Let us look at that also. Uranus represents suddenness, Rahu represents deception, cheating, illusion. So there will be a lot of aeroplane crashes in this year because Uranus represents planes. So try to avoid air travel in the year 2022 and go for air travel only if it is a must for you. Since Rahu will be in the Kritika Nakshatra in the sign of Aries, Kritika Nakshatra represents fire. It represents purification. It represents the edge of a sword, and therefore it also represents cutting apart something. So this year will be full of fire accidents. Relationships that have newly started may not sustain for the long term because of Rahu's presence in Kritika Nakshatra. So these are some of the negative effects of this conjunction. Another reason why relations get disturbed is because Ketu moves in the sign of Tula or Libra, which is the natural 7th house in the zodiac belt, which also represents relationships and partnerships. In short, the relationship between different countries will not be good on the world stage. There will be lot of conflicts, lot of fights between different countries, and I can clearly see the use of Air Force in this fight in a big way, the use of robotics and artificial intelligence for wars. This also indicates that cyber attacks will increase in the year 2022 in a big way. In the year 2022, that is after April 13th, 2022, Jupiter moves into the sign of Pisces, and around June, Jupiter will also conjunct with Neptune here. Now, Neptune represents water, Neptune represents illusion, Neptune represents deception, Neptune represents magic. The sign of Pisces is a spiritual sign, and therefore Neptune conjunct Jupiter creates a lot of religious disputes, lot of religious conflicts in the world. So because of this, we will see a lot of civil wars, lot of conflicts between different countries based on religious beliefs. terrorist activities will also increase because of this. Is there a good side to this conjunction? Yes, definitely there is a good side also. Because when Jupiter and Neptune come together, people come together in different communities. They work to serve the poor, the needy. So large communities, large groups will be formed, which will also work towards serving mankind. People will focus more on living a simple life. People will understand the true meaning of leading a simple life rather than getting trapped in unnecessary loans, debts, and EMIs. More focus will be there on activities such as meditation, yoga, etc. because of this conjunction in the sign of Pisces. So, this is the positive effect of Jupiter Neptune conjunction in the sign of Pisces or Mean. Now, many planetary alignments happen in the sign of Capricorn, mainly the Saturn Pluto conjunction, which has been going on for a very long time. And we have seen that this conjunction is breaking down old hierarchies, old structures, and bringing up new reforms, new structures. So, new laws related to education, new laws related to cryptocurrency, new laws related to the judiciary, all those things will change over a period of time in the year 2022. Pluto will completely break the old structures, which will be replaced by new structures for the betterment of mankind. Now, after 26th February 2022, Mars or Mangal enters into the sign of Capricorn, and I have made a separate video stating that the world enters a dangerous zone in this time period. Why is this so? Because now Mars, Saturn and Pluto are in the same sign, which means there will be conflict, there will be wars in this time period, civil wars in this time period, and that is going to be a major challenge in the year 2022. Especially there is a Mars Saturn conjunction at exact 28 degrees in the sign of Capricorn on 5th April 2022, and therefore the period from 26th February 2022 till around the end of April is a very dangerous period. We are going to see a lot of conflicts in this time period. People will come out on the streets and protest against their governments in this time period. Lot of bad things will be exposed in this time period. There is also a 5-planet conjunction which occurs in the sign of Capricorn around 28th February 2022. Whenever such a conjunction occurs, even if it's for a very short duration, say just 2 or 3 days, it has long-term ramifications. Even in December 2019, there was a 6-planet conjunction in the sign of Sagittarius. And we saw that 3 to 4 months later, the corona pandemic spread in a big way. So because of this 5-planet conjunction also, lot of things will happen. Capricorn represents the government. It represents power structures. It represents hierarchy. It represents authority. And when Saturn, Mars, Pluto are in this sign, definitely lot of changes will come about, and those changes will meet with resistance. There will be wars, there will be clashes because of this. So from March to April, I see the strong possibility of civil wars, and I see the virus spreading in a big way around mid of February 2022 and till 30th April 2022. So we are not safe from the virus till 30th April 2022. After that, the virus will slow down, but it will not go away completely. It will continue in the year 2022. Now, a good thing is when the year starts, that is on 2nd January 2022, Jupiter moves into the Shatabisha Nakshatra in the sign of Aquarius, and he stays there till around 30th March 2022. So that is the time when Jupiter brings about healing in the society. That is a time when there are lot of advances in the healthcare sector, in the pharma sector. There will be new research, new drugs which will help us tackle this virus in a big way. But nevertheless, till 30th April 2022, we are not safe completely, because we also have to look at the other planetary conjunctions, and they don't support Jupiter to that extent. Another thing is, till 30th April 2022, there is a Kalsarp Yog which is formed in the zodiac, which repeatedly gets broken every 15 days and then gets reformed till 30th April 2022. So the time till 30th April 2022 is not a very great period. The virus will multiply. It will manifest in a big way and it will affect the lives of people. So friends, this is my short analysis of the impact of major planetary alignments in the year 2022 on the world in general. If you like this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. If you have not subscribed to our channel Kamath Astrology, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. For any consultations, please email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com and we'll be glad to assist you. So friends, wishing you a very happy new year. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.